Hey guys, so this is one of the two upgrade kits I have for the SV08, and it's the Eddy Current module. So this one is laid out already. It's going to be going into this. And if everything goes well, I have another one right here for this machine. I'm not going to show the full installation, but I will come back with movie magic and everything and tell you what I like and don't like about the setup. And then I'll show you how it performs. So I will see you guys in a couple seconds, even though it might take me an hour. So I got the Eddy Current module installed on one of my SV08s. This one right here. As you can see, it's working. It did work. This is a back-to-back print because I wanted to test to see whether the issues that another YouTuber was going through would affect me, and it didn't. So I didn't do any software tweaking. Basically, I just installed the Eddy Current based on what Sovol said in their instruction manual, and no issues. So I don't know if just certain early SV08s have that issue, but this one right here was purchased basically around 8 months after the SV08 launched, almost 2 years ago. And this one right here, I got maybe about 4 or 5 months ago. So maybe that's what the issues are coming on to, is that if you have a first gen or basically a variant of the SV08, that you might run into issues. So, but I did have an issue with basically flashing the firmware. So the instructions don't really go over if you have any issues. Basically, you have to lower the timing in the software. But I was able to get some help, not from Sovol, but like I was reading and watching videos, and I saw that somebody said, "Hey, do this," and I did it, and it worked. So now I have that information. But again, I'll probably show some footage of it actually going through the full leveling. Again, this does not fix one of the major issues of the SV08, especially even with mine, the taco bed. So if you're going with the Eddy Current, it does improve, vastly improves the startup, printing process. But if you have a taco bed, this is not going to help at all, obviously. So, but would I recommend this? If you have a decent enough bed on your SV08, yes. This improves, again, just the bed meshing completely. And it's quick. It's as quick as the SV08 Max that I have in terms of just the bed meshing. So I would recommend that, or I would recommend it for people who don't have extreme taco beds. If you do have a taco bed, I will recommend replacing it, or either doing some of the mods they have out there to kind of help with the bed. But then there's also the full line, the graphite bed. I personally wouldn't go with that just because the price. I think I've seen one for, I think the common one everyone's getting on the graphite bed is being shipped to the US. It's like $300 to $400. That's a lot, considering that you can get this machine for, when it's not on sale, for about $550. So to replace the bed on a printer that's $550 with a bed that's around $300 to $400, it doesn't make much sense to me. I don't know. Again, it depends on what you want to do. I'm living with the taco bed that I have on both of these machines, and again, I might do a mod on this one to kind of help a bit and see if that works out. But anyway, guys, if you want the Eddy Current, it's not difficult. Just read the instructions and go from there. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like and subscribe, please. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.